Yo, hear me. Triple. What make my daughter love me, I just call her name by accident. Triple, listen me out. You see that guy? Me no know him from Adams in. All me say what the yeah. Me no know how he make so. And for you hear the man that take me and Triple, I thought boy must stay one more day in a my mother would become this handicap. Triple, Triple, you know me not feel no way about it. Cause me say something, but me think him would have just know say this is social media. And I saw we like.
Oh God, Julia, I said tell you.
No, him tell me so. Him not brave so. For see me in a real life and tell me that. Him tell somebody on screen record. Upon screen record, me see Triple.
Do they allow chubby people about the people them trouble your back?
No, Triple, you see, I can't believe you really said Triple, me not trouble people. The
What you
people
say
in
about
know say,
him?
me just always say something, but me not go overboard with it.
So what you did say about him?
That's all. Me say,
Say
all
what?
he make so. That's all. Through the hole. I know when hole in a face or when you draw it, blackhead, it left hole. Ah, Big Mama. Big Mama.
Guys, for
Big
attack
mama.
me team.
Big Mama.
I
Chat.
tell
Gloves
some
chat.
people them bad and people them bad say you can't
Chat,
manage
gloves
that.
chat.
I saw Junior tan.
Yeah, me no mean nothing, Triple. I see him so with your adopted son. What do you me just simple say something in about Fabi. And me never knew him would have take it so personal. But say you're the man that said the boy TikTok boss go suck your mother. And me I say me never expect that. Triple, when me see it, I was like, huh? I can't believe I was in a shock mood. Come here and say, why cheating? Pick up this on him head. And me just like, I run some joke with him ex. No, but me think like that's very yeah, for true. Me
I
never
want to hear Junior presumptuous, you know. Guys, we're gonna want bodyguard chat. We're gonna want bodyguard me team.
So Triple,
Eh?
one more thing. No people might pray me for this, but I say it go. You have to just inquire about things. If you really not know and have an understanding about certain things. Though Triple?
Yeah.
Apple, the nice female. We always put the gifts up on your phone screen. Apple. Me analyze say the $800 where she give in her kinds and never just for you. She give for share up to the poor and you need it on the app. Triple, so what go on? Me not get my envelope out I.
So I put not give you how much gift? How much
No,
how much
bypass
tell
that
how much
man. Me see her
real.
on screen record. She talk it and me I say, oh, that's nice. But me not see her ring my phone for any time.
Wait, I put not give me no cash, I put shoot for everybody. What kind
Oh.
of cash?
I never know Triple. Through me ear when she say she rather give Triple cause Triple honest. I'ma see that with you too, but no, you not be honest. Cause you not give me my piece of
She said she
cabbage.
rather give me, that don't mean that she give me. See,
No, but she said if you share up too, we can stretch too.
So,
I know
so
me
Junior,
there. So
Junior. So
Ah,
the
Triple,
lady
load
said she
that
gonna
alone.
give me something for share up for you.
no, me never said that Triple, but me I said through me there, me ear was go on. So me I say beggars not have no chance. So our a choice. Whichever way, Trippy, you know what me eat today for dinner? Bully beef and rice. Trippy, you know that nice? Yo, Triple, bully beef and rice with enough prickle pepper.
Don't
Triple,
tell
one
me
at a
that
time,
story,
me
I
say-
can't stay one place. We all
No,
over the place, yeah, so.
Prickle pepper, nice, Triple.
Guys, use the triple me team.
Triple, so after me stay as a boobs and I do a little thing, I try put a roof over my head. Triple, imagine now, me I go pay you 3-5 for carry look bucket with material in it. And you want me look on you too and buy your food? Triple, me I wonder if them money nowadays, if them know how it really hard for work for something where you want. And them come here and I go and them want ass. No, swipe on the ass. I long people them saying Triple ass and saga. Me give you 3-5. You use 5 days buy a bull and a bag juice or something and keep the 3,000 and forgot buy something. But me, chat, they're gonna something. Sorry,
Two
Triple.
chat, we can't get a Galaxy, a plane, a
That's true now.
else. Chat, them all using gloves, you know.
Yo, Triple, you see what? Alright. Chat, put something in the chat.
Lauren, thank you. Give them something more upon the 3-5, Junior.
Huh?
Give them 1-5 bills more.
Triple. Listen me out. Two material has stress me. You see, if them was the 5 bills more, me take them and put them in my
How
pocket
much you want
somewhere.
ton of steel, Junior?
1 ton? Last time I go a ton me go or quarter ton. Listen, Triple, I nearly 46,000 for half ton of steel.
Over half ton. So how much you want? How much you
Oh
want
yeah,
black?
half ton. Eh?
How much you toss the black?
1,000 black? Me not reach this yet. I took 200 my buy. You see 200 black Triple? God no. Triple, right now me I prefer invest
How much
in
you
a
want
black.
yard son?
No, me can't tell you how much with 200 black.
How
It
much?
cost me nearly 30,000. I'm not talk about the truck man money yet. 30,000 in a Triple. And some of the black them as you put the material on the asphalt and put on the block, some of them break. Triple, yes, you say everybody have the look something in them
And you know, see a
mentality.
150 when me come from the 150 at Falmouth,
true,
someone
yeah.
to know how we
Triple,
buy half
listen
ton
now.
of steel for 46,000.
You see the cement them, I can remember 9 bills as a youth coming up. Everything gone up. So why
Junior,
poor
where
people
get
money
half ton of
when them
steel for
work now go?
46,000?
Triple my buy 15 bag of cement for 28,000. Jesus, see light turn off there. Triple, you think I lie? After my buy
Alright, young
material.
Taylor, text me a text me. I'm your message on my number.
Yeah, message me to Triple.
A half ton you say you buy for 46,000.
Yeah, Triple, a mistake me make and say 1 ton. Half ton.
For 46,000?
No discount where you go when you go for buy these materials, you know, them not give you
So how you get it so cheap?
listen me out, Triple, come like you not have no for talk out your mouth. Say, wait, that's cheap?
Yes,
That's very
Junior.
expensive. Triple, when me done buy material, I can buy something to eat. To the price come down steep. For true. Chat, though, you know, people will build us when you see them for honor them in a chat. You know, take liquor boy for build
You
a
sure
post,
no
you know?
quarter ton?
Eh?
You sure no quarter ton of steel?
Quarter which ton of steel, Triple? Triple, me mean,
How
chat, they're
much you
gonna
1
something.
ton, Junior? How much you 1 ton?
1 ton? Me no know yet, cause we reach decking now, you know, a 1 ton, me have to go buy. Triple, no, me reach decking. Today we put up the ply and the tree before and the slab them. Everything gone up, Triple. We're doing well. Not even Joshua would have do it better. No, we put up
you put up
everything.
your what?
The tree before.
Guys, catch a triple me team. I
And
have
ply
to send you
them.
one video for your house. God believe me.
I still
You have to
them
go
less
video
triple.
send me.
I will
6
triple.
to 1 rose,
I'm
guys.
cast up the black pocket them. Triple, me never know so much money take for chat. They go no Triple, you know say I rent, me I go rent out them place there. Me I go stick to rough life. So when me done, me have to make back money. Triple, a lot of work, my work for can do that, you know. Lot of work, my work. Ask the people them. When I come here, Triple, why people not have it as a work? We work when we come here.
So how
Triple,
much
this is-
the architect charge of to draw the plan?
No, I don't know. We never go so deep in it.
You know what I'm saying? You get plan, you get blueprint.
Yeah, but we never go about that. No architect. I am the architect. Triple, listen me out. When me going on, make sure use the the white card where them use fly out kite. You know them big kite there.
And that
White
you use
car.
design your house.
I'm mark it out and use 3 board run it and dig it. We
That's
never
where
have
you make
to
a
go-
design.
Eh?
That's where you make a design.
Me not hear ya.
That's where you design it with the card.
Triple say how you have to design it.
Guys, we're gonna want money gunshot. No.
Chat, they gonna something there.
Guys, push up.
They gonna something. I wanna know how it's for design.
And that me I wonder to all along me have it wrong, Junior.
Chat, power taps my team.
Guys, push up his score, me team. We not no money gun, no galaxy. Me not do this, we don't know. Me need one money gun.
Chat, come on guys, push up his score my team.
Me need one money gun shot.
Yeah, Triple wouldn't know, you know, cause Triple a woman, you know. Yeah, Triple now go on the site, go watch Osa build from scratch. Triple not know what is hard work. All Triple know for do, you know, is just come here and do our little thing. Play nice, everything nice, and get 2 kinds. Don't you? Chat, they're gonna something. No, for true do a Triple, me I tell you say hard work, rough do a brother, construction work.
You
Never
know I
know.
build 2-story on my house. You know my house is a 3-story. And you know
No,
I
Triple,
build
me never
it to
yet
that.
think about that,
You
nor
know I
dream
turned
about
my
3
house
story.
into an apartment complex. You know that my house is a
Triple,
3-story
oh
house.
God, man,
That's why I
bestie.
know you're
Everybody
talking
did know
fast.
say you have 3 Airbnb and all of that. You know,
Me not talk about Airbnb, me I talk about my house.
for true, Triple, so now that we say all you do come sit down in your house, your 3 stories house. Nothing wrong with that. Somebody not, people out there not have none.
So what I mean by me not know how it build?
No, me never mean it that way. Me I said we have 3 stories. People would have want to even have 1 stories or something.